In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your emails fast and easy. So whether you're sprucing up your business communications or just adding some personal flair, follow along with me for these simple steps. First, you are going to open up your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything you need to manage your website, including your email settings. Once you're on the main dashboard page, cast your eyes down the list of options on the left-hand side. There you'll find WooCommerce. Give that a click. WooCommerce is a powerful tool that helps you manage your online store efficiently, and it's what we'll be using today to tweak our email settings. After clicking on WooCommerce, a submenu will appear. From there, click on Settings. This section controls various aspects of your WooCommerce plugin, including your store's emails. Proceed by clicking on the Emails tab. Now, we're at the right spot to customize our email appearance. Now, it's important to personalize your emails so they represent your brand. Start with adding a recognizable from name, something that will tell your recipients quickly who the email is from. Similarly, ensure the from address is accurately set to the email you'd like your recipients to see. Next, it's time to upload your logo. Click on the Logo section. You'll then see an option to upload your desired logo file. Click Upload to begin this process. After clicking Upload, browse your files for the logo that you want your emails to sport. Select your logo, and with another click on Select, it'll be uploaded. Moving on, you may want to adjust the logo's width to better fit your email template. You can do this in the Logo Width section by entering a suitable number for the pixel width that maintains a crisp appearance. Ensuring proper alignment of your email header is also vital for aesthetics and professionalism. Click on Header Alignment to choose how you wish your logo and header content to be aligned, centered left or right, based on your overall email design strategy. For a harmonious look, don't forget to select an appropriate font family for your emails. Consistency in typography can make a significant difference in how your emails are perceived. Adding a personal note at the bottom? Take a moment to customize your footer text in this section. Lastly, make your emails look vibrant with the Color Palette option. This allows you to tie in your brand's colors seamlessly with the rest of your email design. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to save your changes. On the bottom of your screen, find Save Changes and click it. This will apply all the adjustments you made, and just like that, your emails will be more branded and professional. And there you have it. That's how you can easily add a logo to your emails using WooCommerce on WordPress.